Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rick Thomas from Obsolete Video Services. Hey, guys. We're working on this Panasonic Nv-8020. This is a time-lapse VTR with normal speed and slow speed switch. Made a lot of progress on this machine today. Changed out the belts, which was not an easy thing to do. Put different belts in. Changed out the tires. And fixed the video head, put the new brushes in, mounted the head after I rebuilt it. So we got a video head in here, brand new brush. This is all put together. Put a brand new capstan and roller on here, and all the belts and rollers itself are all changed new or whatever. And we are getting audio out of this thing, if you can see the meter. Alright, so that's a good sign. Alright, the only thing about this is an EIAJ tape, and they do not play on this machine. So I'm going to try maybe tomorrow, try to make a recorded tape, do a test recording to it, see if I can get a tape to record, so I can get some video on a tape that's playable, and we can go from that point on. But I do believe we got an awful lot of this done today. Got the spindles all greased up, I got all the belts changed out, the rubber tires changed out, the capstan roller changed out, which I happen to have about 15 of these. I didn't realize I had so many of them. Fixed the brush, fixed the heads, put a brand new brush and heads in this thing. So we are getting audio, so that's a very, very good sign. Okay? And of course, this is sort of like the skip field. You want to hook it up to a breaker box, such as that. And the funny thing is, I had a spare RF board for the top. I don't know if you can see this or not. You see the RF board? It goes right here. I happen to have one that was spare, so we'll be able to jump to this board if there's a RF problem. I did have a machine like this a long time ago, maybe 15, 20 years ago, and we scrapped it out for all the keepable parts, and today was a very good day because I needed the brush, which we had a brush assembly for this. I was able to rebuild the video head, put a brand new video head on it. The video head, one of the sides was broke, the other side was shorted out. So you fix the video head bar, we put a brand new brush in here, all new belts, rubber capstan roller, I greased it, alright, and we have an EIAJ tape here playing at an awful fast speed, but as you can see, the audio is playing through the audio circuits. That's a very, very, very good sign. And like I said, this is a 5-inch drum, and the EIAJ is a 4.5, so it's a 1/2 inch different size drum. So an EIAJ tape will not play on this machine. It's a different scan. The scan is totally different. This is a much wider scan, so that means it's you put an EIAJ tape on here, it can't find the scan lines. They're just not lining up. So I'm gonna try to make a recordable one tomorrow. I'm just running this right now and making sure it's staying at the fast 12 amp speed, and it's doing it flawlessly, so we know that's working fine. We got audio going through it. I did have a breaker box that we will use for video output and all that. I believe we could record through the TV, which would be the plug here for video in, so we'll be able to try to record video to this. If I can get video to record on it, then most likely it's fine for playback. So we're pretty well close to having this one restored. We got the video head rebuilt, brand new brush. We put the other RF playback board on top. I changed it out just in case. New rubber tires, belts, the whole bit. Brand new roller, capstan roller. So we greased it. And I just jerry-rigged it with power. So we're going to see what we can do from this point. But it's looking like we got this machine actually working now. It's putting out audio, so that's a very good sign. It's not smoking, it's not burning up, not catching on fire. So the capacitors are obviously working, doing their job. And if they were really, really bad, they would start smoking, catching on fire, or whatever. But it seems like they're stable. So we might just get lucky enough to be able to use this machine and not have to do a whole hell of a lot more to it. But we definitely had to put a new video head, brushes, and capstan roller and belts and stuff. The video head and the brushes I was not counting on, but since I had parts, I was able to do it anyway, so that was really no big deal. And we put all new belts and tires and everything on this, and we got it in the play position right now. If you notice how fast it is, that's 12 IPS per second. That's called the normal speed, 12 IPS, and it's pretty fast. And it's a 12 IPS player, so this is not compatible with any of the EIAJ machines because of speed and because of the size of the scan or the drum, which is a 1/2 inch wider than the EIAJ standard. So it's a very rare machine, and getting it to this point is just a God-given miracle. Hope you enjoyed this video.